Hello everyone, this is Kripaki from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying Computer Science and Engineering, currently in 6th semester. I'm going to be talking about a topic from the subject Data Mining and Data Warehousing, subject code 18CS641. The contents which I'm going to be covering in this video are Enterprise Warehouse, Data Mart, Virtual Warehouse. Types of data warehouse models: Enterprise Warehouse, Data Mart, and Virtual Warehouse. This is the pictorial representation of the types of data warehouse models. Moving to the topic, what is Enterprise Warehouse? An enterprise warehouse collects all information about subjects spanning the entire organization. It provides corporate-wide data integration, usually from one or more operational systems or external information providers, and has cross-function scope. It typically contains detailed data as well as summarized data and can range in size from a few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes, terabytes, or beyond. An enterprise data warehouse may be implemented on traditional mainframes, computer supervisors, or parallel architecture platforms. It requires extensive business modeling and may take years to design and build. An enterprise warehouse collects all information topics spread throughout the organization. It provides corporate-wide data integration, typically from one or several operational systems or external information providers, and is cross-functional in scope. It usually contains detailed data as well as summarized data and can range in size from a few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes, terabytes, or beyond. Can be an enterprise data warehouse organization. The traditional mainframes, computer super server, or parallel architecture has been implemented on platforms. This requires extensive commercial modeling and may take years to design and manufacture. So this was all about enterprise warehouse. Moving to Data Mart. Data Mart contains a subset of corporate-wide data that is of value to a specific group of users. The scope is confined to specific selected subjects. For example, a marketing data mart may confine its subjects to customers, items, and sales. The data contained in data marts tend to be summarized. Data marts are usually implemented on low-cost departmental servers that are Unix or Windows based. The implementation cycle of a data mart is measured in weeks rather than months or years. However, it may involve complex integration in the long run if its design and planning were not enterprise-wide. Depending on the source of data, data marts can be categorized as independent or dependent. Independent data marts are sourced from data captured from one or more operational systems or external information providers, or from data generated locally within a particular department or geographic area. Dependent data marts are sourced directly from the enterprise data warehouses. A data mart contains a subset of corporate-wide data that is important to a specific group of users. The scope is limited to specific selected subjects. For example, a marketing data mart may limit its topics to customers, goods, and sales. The data contained in the data marts are summarized. Data marts are typically applied to low-cost departmental services that are Unix or Windows based. The implementation cycle of data mart is more likely to be measured in weeks rather than months or years. However, it can be long-run. Complex integration is involved in its design and planning where not enterprise-wide. So this was all about data mart. Moving to virtual warehouse. A virtual warehouse is a system of use over operational databases for efficiency query processing. Only some of the possible summary views may be materialized. A visual warehouse easy to build but requires excess capacity on operational database servers. A virtual warehouse is a group of views on an operational database. For efficient query processing, only a few possible summary views can be physical. Creating a virtual warehouse is easy but requires additional capacity on operational database servers. I hope this video is of great use to learn about different types of data warehouse models. Thank you.